What is happening, everybody? This is Josh from Spawn Fly Fish, and we're back with another tying tutorial. Today we're specifically focusing on last second flies for that last minute trip. Specifically, we are going to be targeting cutthroat here in Western Washington with this pattern, although it will have a wide range of applications as many of our flies do. Stick along, this is going to be a good one, and it won't take long. Alrighty, we are going to get after it. In the vise, we have an Ahrex FW551, size number 10. This is a perfect little size for chasing cutthroat here in the streams and rivers of Western Washington. We are going to be highlighting a Insta jig tungsten head from Hareline here, that teardrop shape. We're going to fill this back cavity with some spawn greatness, and we are going to get after it. This is really going to exaggerate the jigging motion. As well, it just keeps a really cool profile. So wanted to highlight this product today. We got some fluorescent orange Danville here. Wrap our thread wraps back. We will start to get after it. We're going to work our way back one more time here, and then we're going to lock this bead into place with some wraps. I like to just hold my two offhand fingers right there, and we're going to lock that in. Sweet. Not going anywhere. Nope. First things first, we're going to start off the fly with a little Spawns Fluorescent Southern Peach Marabou here. Probably my favorite Marabou on the planet. Obviously biased. Alright, we do want a little bit of a tail on this guy, so don't be too sparse. We're going to turn our vise over and tie it on the underneath side here. We're going right to the edge of that curvature on the hook. We're going to cut off this excess. We're going to leave a little bit to continue that taper of the body here. We'll work our way. Looking good. Alrighty. One more element we're going to sneak in here. Again, stay with us. This is a quick fly. This is a last minute fly. You want to get ready, you want to get on the water, this is a great one to fill your box quickly. Alright, we are going to use some small UTC wire. It's got the spins on me, that'll happen to you. And we are going to tie that on my side here. This wire will get a little bit lost in this fly, but it's serves a purpose of durability. So longevity of the fly is going to be really important for this. Alrighty, now we are going to sneak in some rabbit dub. As you'll see, you probably haven't seen this type of rabbit dub before. And you might recognize the coloration of it as well. I've been doing some fun stuff here in the lab. All the rabbit dubs on the market will work. Might not work as well as the Spawn edition. But you could also substitute this for semi-seal. This would be a phenomenal semi-seal option right here. So we're going to work our way, taper this back. Got a little bit of a bulk right there. I'm going to thin that out. We're going all the way back to that wire. And then we're going to start working our way forward, keeping a really thin profile. We don't want to eat up that hook gap. We're already working with a small hook. Little bit more ought to do it here. So there's a really buggy look to it. It's going to soak in some water. This fly is going to get down right where those fish are hanging out. So we're not going to do a full taper to the Insta jig head here. As you can see, I left a little gap there. Do be sure to leave that. Get one wrap there, and then we'll start to wrap her. Again, this wire is going to get lost in this dub, but it will ensure durability. Do a quick check here. So far, so good. All right, last element. We're going to just bring a little bit of flash into this with some Veevus UV Body Fuzz. Another product we wanted to highlight here. So we're just going to get one wrap. So we're, oops, catch that there, where all those strands are kind of getting going every which direction, which is fine. We want this to have a lot of movement here in the front, and this is why we left that gap here. We're just going to get a wrap or two, depending on how it fits, and really seal this off. We do want touching wraps here. Yep, so 2 does it. Close it up. Trim off the excess. Hold those fibers back. You do get a bit of a thread head there. It's not going to impede on your ability to catch the fish. Again, it's a hot spot. The thread is a hot spot. We're going to throw in a whip finish now, and we're almost done here. First things we're going to do here before we take a little bit of head cement is just really brush it out. Get in there, get these trapped fibers. There's some UV properties in the dub, and rabbit has that really good look to it, so brush that out every which way. Get that thing looking really mean. So you can see that wire begins to get lost a little bit. You can still see it shining through though. That's why we chose the color orange. Match everything up. Last but not least, a little head cement. And that is a quick, easy cutthroat catching machine. You can do this in a lot of different colors. We do like to use a little hot spot. These Insta jig heads are a very cool little product. Been something that's been heavily requested for a while now. Decided to bring it on board. If you have just a standard slotted bead, it'll also work good, as well as a spawned football bead works amazing, as all you guys know, and we are huge fans of. That does it. It's a really simple fly, last minute fly. If you got a quick trip that came out of nowhere, fill your box full of these and you will surely find success out here in Southwest Washington and in your local waters. Thank you very much for tuning in. Have a great day, and we will see you guys next time.